Scenic boat ride on Nho Que River. A great way to admire Tusan Canyon and Ma Pi Leng Pass, Ha Giang. Tucked away in Vietnam's far northern frontier, Ha Giang is a land of rugged peaks, winding mountain roads, and deep cultural roots, a destination that promises both adventure and awe. At the very heart of this dramatic landscape lies Nho Que River, an emerald ribbon weaving through ancient mountains and carving out the remarkable Tusan Canyon. Framed by the legendary Ma Pi Leng Pass, this trio forms a breathtaking tableau, drawing travelers from around the world in search of Vietnam's wild beauty. And there is no better way to experience their grandeur than by embarking on a scenic boat ride along the tranquil waters of the Nho Que River. What makes Nho Que River so special? The Nho Que River is celebrated for its jade-green currents that reflect the towering limestone cliffs above, creating a picture-perfect scene that has become iconic in Ha Giang. Its waters flow quietly between steep canyon walls, offering a rare glimpse into the untouched wilderness of the Dong Van Karst Plateau Geopark, a UNESCO-recognized site famed for its geological wonders and vibrant ethnic diversity. Boarding a boat here is more than just a leisure activity. It's a peaceful journey into the heart of northern Vietnam's natural heritage, where every bend in the river reveals new vistas and hidden stories. Setting off from Ta Lang village, visitors are greeted by the gentle lapping of water and the crisp mountain air. As the boat glides away from the shore, the world seems to slow down. Towering above, the limestone cliffs of Tusan Canyon rise to dizzying heights, some reaching up to 900 meters, creating Vietnam's deepest and most striking canyon. The interplay of light and shadow on the rock faces, combined with the tranquil green of the river, forms a living masterpiece that photographers and nature lovers alike will treasure. Tusan Canyon, Vietnam's deepest canyon. Tusan Canyon is not only a geological marvel, but also a place steeped in local legend. According to stories passed down through generations, the canyon was carved by mountain gods to allow the river to flow through the plateau, an act of both might and generosity. As you drift beneath the sheer cliffs, it's easy to feel the mythic atmosphere that continues to inspire locals and visitors alike. The canyon's scale and serenity offer a sense of perspective that is both humbling and exhilarating, making this boat ride a must for anyone seeking an authentic Ha Giang adventure. Ma Pi Leng Pass, the king of all mountain passes in Vietnam. Above the canyon, the Ma Pi Leng Pass snakes along the mountainside, its road-hugging cliffs and offering sweeping views of the river valley below. Known as the king of all mountain passes in Vietnam, Ma Pi Leng is a testament to both human engineering and nature's grandeur. Whether you approach by motorbike or car, each twist and turn reveals new panoramas. Deep valleys, misty peaks, and the unmistakable ribbon of the Nho Que River far beneath. The pass is a favorite among thrill seekers and landscape photographers, with iconic stops like the Ma Pi Leng Panorama Viewpoint and the dramatic Skywalk, where the sweeping vistas leave visitors speechless. Nho Que River Boat Ride, an unmissable experience in Ha Giang. The highlight of any visit, however, remains the boat ride itself. Lasting around 30 to 45 minutes, this tranquil journey offers a unique perspective on the canyon's scale and the river's beauty. Early mornings and late afternoons are especially magical, as the soft light bathes the cliffs in golden hues and the water shimmers with reflections. Whether you're seeking the perfect photo, a moment of quiet reflection, or simply the thrill of discovery, this experience delivers memories that will last a lifetime. Practical travel tips for your Ha Giang adventure. Practical travel tips ensure your journey is smooth and enjoyable. The dry season, spanning from September to April, is the best time to visit, with clear skies and cooler weather making boat rides comfortable and safe. Avoiding the rainy months is wise, as heavy downpours can impact both visibility and road conditions. For those planning a trip, packing essentials include lightweight clothing, sturdy walking shoes for accessing the boat dock, sun protection, and, of course, a camera to capture the unforgettable scenery. Getting to the Nho Que River is itself an adventure, with multiple routes leading from Ha Giang City to the Dong Van Karst Plateau. Many travelers choose to join a motorbike tour along the famous Ha Giang Loop, while others opt for private cars or guided tours for added comfort. Accommodations in nearby Dong Van or Mio Vac towns provide convenient bases for exploring the region's highlights, from the river and canyon to the vibrant markets and ancient streets of Dong Van Old Quarter. Beyond the natural wonders, the region is also a tapestry of culture and tradition. Ha Giang is home to diverse ethnic minority groups, including the Hmong, Tay, and Dao people, each with their own customs, crafts, and ways of life. Responsible travelers are encouraged to respect local traditions, support community-run services, and contribute to the preservation of this remarkable landscape. Engaging with local guides and boat operators not only enriches your experience, but also helps sustain the community and environment for future generations. While doing Nho Que boat ride, combine your visit with other must-see places in Dong Van Geopark. While the Nho Que River boat ride is the star attraction, don't miss the chance to explore other gems in Dong Van Geopark. The ancient streets of Dong Van Old Quarter, the northernmost Lung Ku Flag Tower, the historic Hmong King Palace, and the colorful Mio Vac Sunday Market each offer unique insights into the area's history and culture. Together, they make Ha Giang a destination that rewards curiosity and rewards those who venture off the beaten path. Nho Que River, Tu San Canyon, and Ma Pi Leng Pass offer a unique blend of natural beauty and adventure that every traveler to Vietnam should experience. A boat ride here isn't just a scenic journey, it's a highlight of any Ha Giang itinerary. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're Golden Holiday Travel, a licensed local tour operator in Hanoi. Need help planning your Vietnam trip? Contact us for expert advice and customized travel support.